This is Daniel with Services-365, and today we're going to look at part 1 of importing your data to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. We're going to take a look at the configuration packages. We'll check out some of the predefined packages you can use, and also importing and exporting with Excel. First, we are going to take a look at the predefined packages that come standard within Business Central. I've created a fresh company with no data, and we will look at some of the options in the configuration package. As you can see, there are currently no tables or data set up. We will begin by going to Process from the menu and then Import Predefined Package. You will see that we have 3 options from which to choose. All 3 packages will contain the generic data to let you begin Business Central right away without the need for fine-tuning. This includes things like a generic chart of accounts, the major currencies, standard payment terms, various region settings, and things of that nature. The standard package has the background data you need to get up and running quickly, while the extended package will add the necessary data for the premium modules such as manufacturing or warehousing. Finally, and the one we are going to select, is the evaluation package, which further includes the sample customers, vendors, and items of the default Cronus company. Now we have a few moments while all of this information is being configured and added to your Business Central company. Now with the package loaded and in our menu, we can take a glance inside to see the tables which comprise it. This is a crucial step to remember when working with configuration packages. You'll see in the number of database records column, they are still mostly zeros. The number of package records column is the data that we loaded, but it's on standby and will not be fully put into your company until you go to Process and Apply Package. This step allows for further configuration, if necessary, before it is committed to your database. And upon completion, we'll be greeted with a summary report. You can see that we have 0 errors from the import, and we can simply click OK. Now you can see in the number of database records column, all of that information has been put into your company within Business Central. From the start of the new company, where you can see there was once no data whatsoever, like the chart of accounts here, we now have a fully populated chart of accounts in just a matter of minutes. Now we're going to take a basic look at using Excel with configuration packages. We will navigate into our package and select the item table. We can also use Control or Shift if we want to select more tables. However, for the purpose of this demonstration, we're just going to select the one. With the table highlighted, we'll click More Options, then the Excel menu, and Export to Excel. This will prompt Excel to open, if it isn't already, and begin to populate your table data. With the spreadsheet open, you'll notice the correct formatting and necessary fields are already populated, along with the sample data we entered earlier. An important thing to notice is in the top left where the package name, table name, and table number are located. These are used by Business Central during import to read the correct data and ensure it is going to the proper location. This feature is extremely useful for adding mass amounts of new data without the tedium of having to create each new item card one at a time. We can simply enter the pertinent information either line by line as necessary or en masse from another spreadsheet, simply copying and pasting. Once the new information is in the spreadsheet, we're going to need to save the file with a different name other than the default timestamp, just so we have an idea of where it is, because we're going to need to find it later when we re-import back into Business Central. It is also recommended to close the spreadsheet you'll be using before you import. Taking a quick look at the item menu before we import, we can see the item cards for the default items from our first package. So now we're going to go to Configuration Packages and get ready to import our updated spreadsheet and add all of our new items as well. Going back into the package, we'll highlight the table we'll be importing to. Then back to our Excel menu. We're going to select Import from Excel. Hit Choose. And this is the crucial part with the file name, where we're going to take the file that we just amended. We're going to select it, and it's going to begin importing it. Now, when you get this menu, it's just a simple overview letting you know that it is a table ID, and it's kind of a verification checkpoint. So we'll go ahead and hit Import. And you'll see in our number of package records, we have 34, where we used to have 20, so that's the 14 additional items that we added to the list. Now we're going to hit Functions, Apply Data. And now finally, we can return to our item menu, and just like that, all of our new items are added to Business Central for us with minimum effort and maximum efficiency. Whether you're importing data from your old ERP or just looking to reach peak efficiency, the configuration packages are just one of many excellent features. Thank you again on behalf of Services-365, and if you would like a demonstration of the total solution capabilities of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, just send an email to sales@services-365.com and stay tuned for more Business Central content to come.